Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer Chainlink from Uphold to Binance in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets smoothly between exchanges for better trading opportunities or portfolio management. Don't worry, I'll walk you through this step by step, making it easy and stress-free. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and Binance, and that you have some Chainlink tokens in your Uphold wallet. Security is key, so double-check that you've enabled two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your funds. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet section and select the Chainlink token. You'll see an option to withdraw or send. Click that. Now, choose the correct network for Chainlink, which is typically Ethereum, ETH, as it's an ERC20 token. This is crucial to avoid any transaction failures. Next, enter the withdrawal details. You'll need to paste your Binance wallet address for Chainlink. To get this, hop over to Binance, log in, go to your wallet, and copy the deposit address for Link. Make sure it matches the Ethereum network. Paste it carefully into Uphold. Before confirming, review the amount you're transferring and any fees involved, like network gas fees, which can vary based on Ethereum congestion. Once everything looks good, hit confirm and wait for the transaction to process. This might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Once it's done, head back to Binance and check your wallet to confirm the Chainlink has arrived. If you run into any issues, like delays, it's often due to blockchain confirmation times, so be patient. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your Chainlink from Uphold to Binance. Remember, always stay vigilant with crypto transfers to avoid scams or errors. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.